Settings and Scale Bar. In Settings, there are two analysis types, Image and Live, and there are 7 analysis standard as shown in the video. You can show or hide Scale Bar. In Report Settings, you can add company logo in the report by clicking Browse button. You can also add male and female voiceover. By clicking on the Create Parts Master List, you can add and delete Parts Master List. Click OK to save the settings. In Scale Bar, there are 2 methods of placing Scale Bar: automatic and manual. Change the position of Scale Bar as per your need. In automatic, you can place it to top right, top left, and bottom left. And in manual, you can add X and Y percentage to place it. You can change the scale bar color and text color by clicking on the color palette. You can select the length of scale bar manually and automatic. You can also set the fixed length. By selecting Fixed Length, click on the Settings button and select Length, Magnification, and Unit as per your need. Click Add and Save. You can add background of the scale bar by clicking Show Background button, and you can change background button by clicking on the color palette. You can add text with background also